So on the last one, we went and looked all up this, looked all about whatever these are, data types. And this time we're going to be looking at this thing. Pretty sure it's a constructor, but I don't understand how. So let's go over to ChatGPT and let's say to it, explain what this is in simple terms. Short answer. This C++ is in some terms short answer. There we go. This C++ code defines a constructor for a class named piece. The constructor has two parameters. Char type equals space. This parameter is for the type of the piece with a default value of a space character. Perfect, okay. Meaning it's unspecified or empty. Bool is king equals false. This parameter specifies whether the piece is a king with a default value of false, meaning it's not a king unless specified otherwise. Okay, well, look, I don't remember ever telling it to do this, but it did it for us. But yeah, so this is just going to stay. Hold on. This constructor, let's just read it. Hold on. This constructor allows a piece object to be created with specific attributes or with default values if none are provided. Okay, let's look at it again. So give me, let's get it to give us an example. Give me an example of how it's used in a CPP file. All right. That's not CPP. Okay. Void display. Okay. Anyway, that was unnecessary, this part. But this is like, I guess this is dot display, whatever dot display, right? Okay, pawn dot display. Okay, so we would say piece, default piece. Default piece dot display. What would that give us? Hey? Piece default piece. Oh, the default piece would give us the space and is king. No. Okay, cool. If we did the display. Okay, cool. All right. Piece pawn, P and false would be type pawn and then false. So it would display show us what it would display. So it would display P and false, I guess. No, it would display type P and is king false. Okay, and king K true, type is king, type K for king, and is king yes, true. Or yes. Okay. Okay, so that's basically it. Hopefully that makes sense. So that's pretty easy actually. Although this is different, isn't it? What's up with this? Ours just looks like that. What's up with this stuff? Let's ask it. What's up with this? The line piece char blah 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 in C is a constructor definition for the piece class utilizing an initialization list to set the values of member variables. Pardon me. Here's a breakdown of the components. That's the constructor. Okay, we did that. And then the initialization list. This is an initialization list used to directly initialize the class member variables with the values provided through the constructor's parameters. Type initializes the member variable type with the value passed to the constructor. Type is king. Son of a, what does this even mean? Is king initializes the member variable. All right, this part. Explain this. Explain this in very simple language. All right, the initialization list, this stuff is used to set up the initial values of the object's properties right when it's created. Type, okay, this part is called initialization list. It appears right after the constructor's parameter. Okay, we saw that. This means take the value provided for type when the object is created and use it to set up the object's own type property. Show me what it looks like after. Show me an example of it working. Don't add any new methods to it. Just do the bare minimum. All right. Okay, what? All right, so here's the int main piece default piece. So when we get this, when we do this, it'll say default piece type. What? And then default piece type dot type. Okay, so default piece dot type would be a blank. This would be a space. And then is king default piece dot is king would be false, right? Of course. I still don't get why it gets initialized like this. What's the point? We'll learn that later. How about that? All right, so that's good enough for now. What? Hold on. That's good enough for now. We know that this is a constructor, and if we say piece, and then we do a, and then we put piece. If we do something like this, we do piece, and then we put char type red, and then is king false. That'll do something, I'm pretty sure. How do we, I forgot how do we do the console. Anyway, we don't need to do that right now. Actually, we can get ChatGPT to do that, huh? Using that. No, okay, piece pawn, what? Oh, this is how we do it. Okay, so it wouldn't be like that. That we have to have the name of the piece. Okay, so let's come back over here. It wouldn't be piece that. It would be piece space pawn. No, piece red. How about that? Or false. I guess that's how that would work. Although I don't think this is going to do anything. All right, whatever. Hopefully that makes sense. Now that we've got that, let's go over to piece.cpp. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have to come over here because I don't know what's going on right now. I can see it's using the constructor. It's using our constructor here. This is the initialization thing, huh? We'll see this in the next video. All right. So in the next one, we're going to go over piece.cpp and we'll see you next time.